Hi guys, it's Experienced Racer. In this video, I'll be playing some Type Racer. So, um, hold on. Is this the early reading strategies? I don't think so. This is a pretty long text. Okay, here we go. No, it's not. Lag. Even if you type it right, the lag makes it so it's not right. Lag is there to mess you up. Okay, so how to read a book. And it's in a book. You just typed a quote from the book, How to Read a Book. That's, yeah, pretty dumb. Average speed 123, it looks like. My top speed is 161. Okay, this is going to be really hard. I'm telling you guys, I'm not going to do well in this. I'm just typing slowly to, not get something wrong. I mean, it was worse than the last time, but oh my god, why does it keep getting shorter? This really, doesn't judge you based on your speed at all. This is not an 80 words per minute speed, though. What did I get? 115. Okay, I'm not doing this well. I guess I'll do one more race, and that'll be it, because, I don't really want to. Pretty hard to talk while typing. I mean, you want to say the text, and then when you talk, you want to type what you're saying. And it's hard to focus. Once I get above, I guess that could be the last race. Okay, bye. Bye, everyone. Have a great day. Sorry, it's just I'm not doing that well. I don't want to do it. Okay. By the way, I'm doing the 1 hour typing test on Monkey Type soon, so stay tuned for that. Okay, bye. See you later.